Respected principal, honorable teachers, dear parents, and my beloved friend, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I stand before you to speak on a very important topic, building character, shaping the future. Dear student, we often hear people ask, what do you want to become in the future? A doctor, an engineer, a teacher, a pilot. But I want to ask you something more important. What kind of person do you want to become? Because marks can open door, but character decide how long you stay inside. Character is who you are when no one is watching. It is honesty when cheating is easy. It is kindness when anger feels stronger. It is discipline when excuses seem attractive. A student with strong character may fall, but they rise again with courage. A student without character may succeed for a short time, but failure eventually finds them. Dear student, we often hear people ask, what do you want to become in the future? A doctor, an engineer, a teacher, a pilot. Dear student, our future is not written by our mark sheets alone. It is written by our values, respect for parents and teachers, truth in our words, hard work in our actions, patience in our struggle. The world does not need more clever mind only. It needs kind heart, honest leader, and responsible citizen. Remember this, a good student is not the one who scores highest, but the one who never gives up, who helps others, and who chooses right over easy. Every small good habit build your character. Coming to school on time, completing your work honestly, speaking politely. These small actions today will become our strong future tomorrow. Dear friend, you are not just students of both. You are the future of our nation. So build your character with courage, strengthen it with discipline, and protect it with honesty. Because when character is strong, the future is bright. Let us lead with action, not just words. Because our character today will define our future tomorrow. May Allah bless you all with success and good character. Thank you.